Good evening, traders. Welcome to episode 297 of TA of Meme Trade. You could be doing anything, but you're here. Thank you. All right. Just really to give a reiteration of the day stream, because thanks B7. Thanks for the party lights, man. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Yeah, just reiteration. I mean, because just not much has gone on since I last streamed, just like 3.5 hours ago, right? So Bitcoin's holding support at 35.67. Okay, the same support we saw on the 11th and 12th of January of this month, and then the late December, the 28th, was a support as resistance. The 9th of December, excuse me, and then support multiple times in late November. All right, so breaking this, not going to be good at all, but hopefully, if we do break it and stay below it, we can see the 1272 or 1414, 3343 to 3420. That'd make it a decent entry for a low risk, possible high reward opportunity with our bullish Gartley pattern X, A, B, C, D. We have not seen the D. Okay, and it's not sexual. All right, so whatever, man. Kind of tired, kind of really tired. Been busting it. I don't know, the past like week has been really tough. Okay, just with all the technical side of streaming, not technical side of charts. Okay, so pretty tired. So I see for Bitcoin, I mean, what we're wanting to see a move down, but we may not get it because we're holding a strong support for now, making a higher low than our previous low. All right, so broadening bottom pattern, we impulse down. Now we have two diverging trend lines, as you can see, the white trend lines. But we just got a death cross on Bitcoin from on the 16th of January, which was literally today. Okay, so you get it, man. I want to say, I'm gonna change something. Get that out of here. All right, audio seems okay for now. Jalen Hurts is going to Oklahoma. Oh my God. That was talked about in the day stream. What's going on? I think we're good. All right. So, I wish there's more to talk about with Bitcoin. I mean, what do you want? You know, we're in a downsloping channel. Okay. After a huge impulse, after losing half our value on Bitcoin, we're still downsloping. Exhaustion. Sellers just getting really tired here. It can last as long as it wants, but dude, we've been in this. We've been developing this since the 21st of November, before Thanksgiving even. We're still in it. Hit that all I, inverse the chart. You can't tell me, do you think this is bullish? Impulse up sloping consolidation, now making lower highs than our previous highs, and we're just struggling, man. Telling you, these violent delights have violent ends. Okay, we're gonna make a huge retrace at some point to the downside, kappa to the upside. All right, and when that happens, easy enough, swing high to swing low, we'll get some really nice retrace levels up here. Okay, so just stay patient. We're trying to, figure out good long positions for the retrace, and we're not. Look, just. Next BT.
Ethos /BitMEX, please. I'm seeing 110 possibly.
Hey, Jules, man, thanks for the 1212, the Super Saiyan 1 contribution. Okay, we're gonna call it that. Super Saiyan 1. Thanks, dude. Yeah, dude, we can do that. we'll take a look at it, all right? So, anyway, you know what I'm saying about Bitcoin? It is been extended amount of time. It's been, you know, in this channel for an extended amount of time. Eventually, we will break to the upside to make a common retrace. And before I was Super Saiyan, this does not mean we are bullish by any means. Okay, just because we make a huge break to 4,900, 5,000, wherever we decide to top out after this is over. Okay. We're just going to make a lower high than our previous highs and then dump again to maybe potentially lower prices, lower lows. Okay, so just got to be realistic here. I mean, it's not, oh my god, is this a bull run? No, it's a short-term retrace, and that's it. Okay, so we're waiting for that very large retrace to happen. It just hasn't come yet. All right. You are all having a fantastic Wednesday evening. Going into Thursday, hump day's over, man. It's over. One sec, what the heck? Alright, Jules, man, you want to see ETH-USD? Why don't we just substitute it, you know? Substitute it. Next, you see 110. You say 110. We're sitting at 120. All right, remember the nice uptrend. What did we do? Just getting back into it a little bit. High to low. 50% retrace, right, man? Oh my God, Charles Dow would be freaking out right now multiple times. We just couldn't crack it. All right, it all came to a screeching halt. Well, we gave ourselves some nasty bearish divergence. Okay, just telling the story, right? We're telling the story of a new chart, even though we look at Ethereum all the time. All right, so oh my God, man. All right, we were in a nice uptrend, and then we weren't, right? How do we have it plotted before? Like this? Can't remember, man. Simple enough. It looks like on this chart. I mean, I think it was a little different on another chart, but like you could have just done this. All right. I think we had the equidistant channel drawn, and we just included every. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Look at the heart line. Okay. Respect everywhere. Resistance points. We just had the equidistant channel drawn instead of parallel. It doesn't really matter. We broke it when we broke it. 150. We're down to 120. Jules thinks we're gonna go to 110. All right. Maybe we will, man. All right. Easy to know. If we do not hold that one, look, I mean, 115 is that support, right? And if you don't hold that support, as we discussed in the day stream, you should expect $100. Right? Pretty simple. Fib extension. That's the next support. All right. Death cross is pretty much imminent now. Right, that 50 moving average about to cross over bearishly that 200 moving average. Right in that, right, Jules? So, yeah, 110 could be in the cards. But remember the pattern. Jeez, man. It's kind of the same. No real structure, right? Not much of a structure, pattern at all. I mean, look, we can say, hey, man, just like on the other ones, two diverging trend lines.
Live TA with Mitchell Ray. Crypto Kai of the RSA from the Nutella Studios in Greenbow, Alabama. Mitch can't wait to see Hertz running the Sooner offense.
Yeah, it's going to be really, really good, man. I'm happy for y'all. And I'm happy for Jalen. Okay, I think he's going to have an exceptional time up there in Norman. All right. Yeah, I'm sure Texas fans hate that dude. They're probably rolling their eyes right now, man. So my condolences for the Longhorns, because it's not going to be an easy Red River rivalry and potential rematch of the Big 12 championship game, right? So Thanks for the 589, man. Thanks, dude. Dang, I don't know what to do about that magnifier. It's blocking out some stuff up there. Alright, so yeah, Jules, man. In the cards, 110, sure, but probably 112, you know. And again, if this doesn't hold, look for 100. Look for 100 bucks. Fib extension. Alright, the bottom of the pattern is down there too. Okay, so just keep your eye on Bitcoin. If not, if we hold this, we can hold the support. Could have a nice run up to 132. Again, man, it's just kind of limbo. We're in the middle of a pattern. Okay, not a very well established pattern. Okay, that's about it, dude. Okay, I wish there's more to it. Just like kind of the same looking chart that we'd see on Coinbase. I mean, there's not much of a difference at all. Okay. Alright, so let's get through some chat. Okay, I haven't said hello to any of you fine folks. What's up, Dave K? Mr. Damon Man, Inverse Rex. What's up, man? Mr. Caffeine. Birch Rogers. Bless you too, man. What's up, Patrick Kane? Skyward. What's up, Garrett K? Beast Nice Man. Simple Beast Nice Man. You like the intro screen, Moz? Oh, y'all don't even know. I actually created a full screen mode. I don't know if y'all want to see it. I look like crap today. Alright. What's up, Nexus of Hate? MK Man, what's up, dude? Maybe the shorts rise? Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Low volume. We got all the ingredients for it, okay? So it's lower risk anyway, even if it craps out. Like if it doesn't work out, hey, you can't be mad at yourself for making a calculated guess, right? Based on multiple variables going on, okay? So, what's up, Real Mike 78? What's up, Julia? Claude, what's up, man? That was my granddad's name. Claude Ray. He was a king, man. He was like a tank commander on Normandy, alright, World War II. And he was like 6'5". He was like freaking legend, dude. What's up, J-Rock? And Mr. Damon knows about, you know, my granddad made my dad, and then my dad made me. Okay. So, hey, Greg Morgan, thanks for the wave, dude. What's up, Loot Patient? Hey, Buns 420, man. What's up, Dan and Melissa? 2 beers and 1 whiskey, 1 beer. Alright, I got it, dude. Miss Kentimo, glad you like the intro screen, dude. Yeah, we changed it up a little bit. If you couldn't tell, we unsynced the candlesticks and the logo RGBs. Alright. While I'm doing this, why not? Why don't we just do this, man? Boom. Kangs. Alright, this is the full screen mode. I don't know. I just kind of did it. Alright, Nike. So, is that a freaking cam inside the CPU, Sarthok? No, man. That's a cooler. An RGB cooler. What's up? Oh, there's Billy, man. He's saying Boomer Sooner. Yeah, it's a great day for y'all. Hello, Qualified Automotive Solutions. Marcus Young, hello. You finally caught me live. Glad you did, man. All right, welcome. What's up, Chuck G? Oh, is that an S-Coin? Maybe. What's up, Princess Riley? You like my shirt? Thank you. I appreciate it. It's newer. Okay, second time ever wearing it. What's up, Brian Griffin? Paro? Hello? Just getting to chat. Almost done, alright. Next is the page, man. How have you been doing, man? Haven't seen you in a while. Glad you're here, okay? I know we had good conversations back in the day when you were here. And it looks like what was old has become new again. What's up, Easy Erie? Splinty? said Zerks, dude. Oh my god, we have so many good people in here tonight, alright? I'm sorry, I like engaging with y'all because it's just, I don't know, man. This community is so awesome, alright? And it's very special. There's just not much out there like this. So, but Coach K, Ultra Instinct, Jesus, man, dude. Hey, Nippon Cowboy, dude, coming in from Japan. Want some ADA? Okay, dude, look at some ADA. Alright, on the list, man. Easy Yuri says 99, please. $99 for Ethereum. Well, I mean, that's close enough to the 1272. Good extension. Just remember, I am not feeling too hot tonight. Pretty exhausted, okay? What the... Hello? Mr. Shark? Thanks for the sharks. That was weird. Thank you. I appreciate that. Looks like I... So this is a different overlay, actually, so that probably had something to do with it. But it was a duplicate. You shouldn't have done that at all. Alright. We'll just let that one slide. Greenbow is Area 589. Yeah, dude, it's the cousin of Area 51, Billy Man. Okay. Should we get sexual wizard Viking style, Crypto Dave Man? Make me, dude. Okay. Normally, they have to be summoned now. Okay. Seldom are we just going to do them on milestone evenings, just cause. All right. A lot of weird stuff now with sub buying and it going away. Dude, I don't even know. Algorithms changed or something. That, or we've just literally bottlenecked on people who can tolerate me. Okay. On YouTube. Sub by Sean Coons. Yep. Augur gone to the moon, man, on extremely high volume. Good stuff, man. Great news. Great, great news. Alright. It's very good, man. The stair stepping down has finally come to an end. On Augur. Great, man. Great. That's wonderful. I'm just plotting it right now. Okay. Yeah, Augur, man. Let's maybe just look at it real quick. I don't know. Who cares? Right. Let's look at some random S coin first. Oh my god. Alright, I think we have to do it like this. Let's go, man. What? The colors are off.
Tipping Julia's coin tonight. Can you look at ONG or that? Your choice mod 77777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777777.
Thanks, dude, for the 7s, dude. We'll just look at it right about now. What? Gosh dang it, man. So many issues, I swear. So many steps. Hold on. What a freaking joke. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Veach ain't doing things.
Okay, so and that's on too, man. Gosh, dude, I'm telling y'all, there's issues. Dude, this thing stutters sometimes, man. We got issues still. All right, there is still issues in this world of Threadrippers. I'm starting to not believe in Threadripper. I'm starting to believe it's a joke. Okay, seriously, a stupid freaking joke. It's stuttering really bad and chopping randomly. I don't know why. It just is. Okay. I don't know, man. Okay. So, seems like some sort of descending triangle, right? I mean, like, kind of. I mean, you got a range bound thing. See, this is what's going on, dude. My mouse, like, literally just starts, and my keyboard just start freezing. You see that? It's freezing. It's literally freezing. David, if you're watching right now, I'm going to destroy you, okay? And it's not your fault, but you understand someone has to die for this. Someone has to die because of the incessant amount of issues going on with this stupid Threadripper. Oh no, man! It's the best in the world, dude. The best in the freaking world.
Can you play this one for the fams? If not, I have a few more in the bullpen. Just let me know.
Thanks, Mr. Me, man. Sure, dude. We'll look at it. Oh my God, 69 likes. All right, cue it since everything else is failing.
Oh, it feels so good!
Man. Yeah, dude. We'll look at it. Take a look. Should be okay. I just hope it doesn't suck, okay, Mr. Mean? I think we may have had this problem before.
Lately the money's been coming slow, but lately the ladies been loving the flow. I know they feeling the cruise. 4 in the morning, I'm still in the booth. Young insomniac, sleep is overrated.
Okay, so chat, give your opinions. All right, Mr. Meme. This is a democracy stream. This is not a dictatorship. So, chat, go ahead, give your opinions on the song. You either hate it or you love it. All right. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna go back to VeChain doing things. All right. So clearly some sort of maybe down sloping resistance, horizontal line support, making this up a triangle, and really, man, you don't want to break below 100 cents. If you do, well, sorry, man, it's gonna be a bad time. So if we were to break to the upside, well, we already know, man. We already know from your high, this is the only discernible swing high to low. We could go very high. This could go extremely well if the market wanted to play ball, but we just don't know, man. We don't know in this crypto world that hasn't been around too long, okay? The Altcoin world, that is, okay? So there you go, man. Looks like potential descending triangle. If you're like, oh man, look at this wick, dude. Okay, do you really want to cry about the wick? Here you go. Can you cry anymore? Because we have 2 reaction highs, 2 reaction lows. So we're just trying to make sense, like, you know, get a few more touch points and see what makes more sense, right? That's what it is. Okay. Anyway, you get it, man. You get it. And the stuttering continues for no literal reason at all. Besides, it's a Threadripper. Don't buy Threadripper, man. It sucks, dude. It seriously sucks. Okay. Here's your VeChain. Doing things. Alright. Thanks again, Skyerman. Okay. We get through some more chat. Thanks so much for the 150 people tuned in. Appreciate it. That was the song. That was the song. Give your opinions, your critical thoughts. Okay, your music connoisseurs in here. Okay. What's up, Randy Schulz, man? Can I do TA on myself? Yeah, dude. Big downtrend. Okay, big downtrend. Oh, okay. What's up, Alex McKeon? volume was dropping as it was before the tank from 6K. I mean, you know, that was a long time coming. That was like a support we had been holding, an upsloading support since June 28th, right? So yeah, man, whatever. What's up, Mac W? The shirt is Fibonacci plaid. Yes, that is. Greg, man. It is. What's up, Renee? Maybe so, Princess. I'm telling you, I feel better. What's up, Crypto Dave? Very sexual G-Force, that's right. Sarthog says, my stream quality is improving day by day. I don't know, man. Dude, like, this Threadripper. Okay, it keeps stuttering. I got a stuttering Threadripper. Yeah. Wow. There you go, man. There you go. That's old PayPal breaking out of that triangle of some sort, right? Just, of course, right? Breaking the heart line. But now showing bearish divergence. Wow. Okay. Yeah, we can do that, man. We can do it. PayPal. PayPal. Yeah, we thought maybe a low risk short already stopped, but look what happened today. Big old bearish engulfing candle formed, right, on the daily. We won't look at daily, we can't. There it is. Be careful with the bearish engulfing. It's real. Maybe we'll come and back test the triangle again, right? But either way, PayPal has been doing exceptionally well for quite some time. Is it any wonder? Alright. Huge impulse up sloping consolidation. It's just getting pretty wild here. Making a lower high than our previous high. All-time highs back in mid-September, $93. We're currently topped out around $92.40. So very close to all-time highs. Jeez. These things on the table.
Last song was shit, but I don't give a fuck. I just look for ways to tip you, Mitre. I appreciate everything you do. You're forging ahead and creating your own way. Let's keep this next.
Thanks, Mr. Mean Man. Really appreciate the kind words. Okay, dude. Thank you. Really appreciate it. I keep feeling like it's cutting off the link in the stream moments. Alright, y'all. The next request. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a good song, but it's a Skrillex remix. I'm a little nervous about this one, man. Very, very nervous about this. Okay. Oh. Very nervous about this, dude. Okay, anytime I see this, brother man, I'm gonna type it in on YouTube. You can see that. That's, oops, it's SME, not ME. Gosh dang. Okay, so that's how many people own this song. Okay, they've tossed it around like a doobie and they all own it. And it makes me nervous. Okay, man. So what do you think, Mr. Meme? Should I do it or not? Let me know in chat. Thanks, dude. Alright, so the uptrend continues, but maybe, just maybe, it is time to reverse our price action. Alright. We really weren't, let's see here. This high, excuse me, man. We did have slight bearish divergence, I guess. But dude, I mean, this side to this side, you got a little bit, just a little bit. Really hard to even tell you had some. They're just two different swing highs, one higher than the other, and it's just ever so slight, man. Really not even that crazy. Okay. Now this thing has just been doing wonderful. Gapping up, right? Gapped up on the 9th of January, right? Yep, 9th of January, and just been kind of running on very, very little volume. Okay, that's another thing. This whole market's just been running up on little volume. This thing's running up. It's been given the ability to continue running. Why? Because the whole market has been recovering from an extremely large move down that lasted a while. One of the nastiest moves down we've seen since 2008. All right, so good for us. Guess what's going to happen, PayPal, if the major indices want to start dumping hard? This thing's going with it. All right, going with it. Anyway, so that's it, PayPal. Wonderful, man. I can't believe this. Okay, that's crazy. Good for PayPal, man. Great job. That's the deal. Anyway, let's go to XRP, because we talked about it pretty thoroughly today in the stream. And looks like we might just do that again. Oh, hey man, broadening bottom. Wow. Looks like Bitcoin. Looks like Ethereum. Really surprising. Alright, this is the big thing to take away from Ripple. This upslope support. This is July of 2017. Beating a dead horse here, talking about it over and over and over again, but who cares, right? So you would expect prices to reach around 29.5 cents to 30 cents, 30.5 cents, depending on when we got there. That's a low risk entry potentially. All right, two down sloping trend lines that are converging, equating to a falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Really, in this context, it would be a bullish continuation, because the impulse up, the down sloping, and then the move on. So it would be a continuation of this impulse. So, I said, man, if we could break the down sloping resistance, which is around 37 cents, any kind of common retrace, 47.9 cents, 54 cents, 59.9, or 60 cents. The measure move of the pattern is confluent with the golden retrace, which is at really 60 cents. Okay, on the daily, we have bullish convergence on both oscillators, the MACD and the RSI. So, great. What's up, SD, man? Yeah, Devin, I called you cool, man. Are you cool? Hey, Mr. Meme, thanks for the $1 contribution, man. What is it? The DJ Machine thing? DJ Machine thing. Are we talking about that thing? Wait, that thing over there? I guess that's a DJ Machine. That thing's powering this entire stream and all these monitors and doing a piss poor job of not pissing me off. Okay, so it looks wonderful, but still some kinks to be worked out that will probably take a year to work out. Okay, so holy crap, man. But man, this is seriously, it's just it's a reinvestment and it's a gift and it's just me paying back, or just reinvesting, because y'all are the ones that made it all happen. Okay, so I just wanted to give the best quality I possibly could. Okay, so 7, what are y'all talking about? 7, lots of 7s here. Okay, oh my god. SD, that's kind of weird. I don't know what that means. Seth and Seth and Seth, what? Or are you trying to summon Seth? He's not like Biggie Smalls or Beetlejuice. Okay. I think only one person can summon Seth. His name is Montana. Okay.
Is that a joint?
Thanks for checking PayPal. Appreciate you being here for us, Kings.
Thanks for the, is that a joint contribution? The 420, man. Oh gosh, carbonation, man. So much of it in this water beer, alright? Keck lives, that's right. I need to overclock it, Mobius. Do I though? It's obviously a software issue. I thought I fixed it. I thought uninstalling my Logitech gaming keyboard and mouse driver it'd be fixed, but it's clearly not. Or code flaw. Yeah, but what is it? No threading nor ripping. Yes. Love you too, Mr. Meme Man. Alright. What's up, DJ Joe Public, man? I'm just reading chat. Okay, what's up, Jim E? He says, alrighty then. Are you Jim Carrey? What if you know what you know now? Would you do the Threadripper? I might go with. Seriously, might have just gone with the i9, the Intel i9, man. Even though it's not technically as powerful as a Threadripper. I mean, this has 24 cores, but it's stuttering. Okay, and struggling. All right, it's a joke. Okay, man. You like the song Timely UL? Well, that was like 10 minutes ago. Gosh dang it, man. I can't keep up with shit. What's up, Clayton Lane? Songs like BitConnect sounded like a good idea at first. There you go, Mr. Goodesky, man. Hey, Barry Schuster. What's up? Just getting through this. All right. I'll just hold tight. I mean, believe me, when Bitcoin does something, I'll let you know. And we're at 35.86, holding support. Until we crack 35.67, we're going to be just fine, all right? Oh my God, man. Okay, so just sifting through chat, kind of lit, all right? So, what is this IRL stream? Oh God, man, oh my God. Do I need to, like, put my knees up? That's kind of what I need to do. I think that's what IRL streamers do. People that just specifically only IRL stream and they don't do anything else, right? They normally put their feet on their chair with their knees up, okay? Yeah, PayPal doing things for sure, dude. I think we're almost to chat. Oh my God, man. George Washington worked for PayPal. Yes, he did, Billy, man. Okay. I'm about to get another beer, because whatever, dude. Who cares? What's up, Melissa? Oh my God. Marcos, man, where's the hi, dude? Why are you just spamming requests, dude? Why don't you be like, hey, Ray, would you please do Zill? Or instead of just Zill, Zilliqa. It's weird, man. Okay.
Play this dude, it's lit as fuck.
Alright, Mr. Man. I'll give it a shot, alright? Okay, chat. This is Wax Motif. The song's called Bunda, featuring dances with white girls. Dances with white girls. Alright. Not dances with wolves. Good God. Alright. Thanks, Randy Schules, man. I got the 2970X Peter Piper. Okay. 24 cores. 2 bits. Dishwater. Water dish. 2 bits. Water dish. Alright. Okay, here y'all go. This is, again, Mr. Meme's request. I'm facilitating his request. XRP Andy. Hello. Salutations, man. Devin says CX in chat, boys. Dude, they've been up to no good over there. I can be TA Andy. Nah, so remember, Andys are leeches. Leeches that have no following. They have not built anything, okay? They are literal leeches. They go, they say, hey, I want to be an IRL streamer. I think I can do it like you. I want to be like Ice. And they have nothing. And they're thrown to the wolves, the CX community, which we know can be quite brutal. Alright, man. It was probably a lot more than the Threadripper. Nah, man. I don't think the i9 was more than the 2970. And there's one even higher quality than one I have. Dude, you know what is it? They came out with, they said their gonna be their next one. Their next Threadripper is gonna be 64 cores. Who even is gonna use that? Who uses 64 core processor, dude? Clayton Lane says his girlfriend broke up with him last night. Dude, you're spending your date money on Bitcoin. Stay single, my friends. Just be careful, man. Don't let emotion drive any kind of trading, okay? That may be folly. Maybe take some time to... When I ended a long-term relationship with my girlfriend, I drove through the Oak Mountain State Park, the largest state park in Alabama. All right, and just had all the windows down and drove listening to music, okay, blues, and let it out. All right, so maybe that's what you should do instead of buying Bitcoin the night after your girlfriend broke up with you. Okay, Clayton, man, just for the sake of your mental health, take a step back, think about some things. All right, but yeah, man, I hear you, because charts definitely helped me get through that stuff too. All right. Pink Floyd triangles, sure do. Anyway, how many screens? Demetrios, 8. Well, 7 monitors and then one 55-inch TV that is hooked up to my computer. So 8 plus something. All right. So Jules says, "Heck no to this song." Well, it's over now. It's over, and we shall move on. Jules, man, you've not even seen Goku's final form. Okay, dude? I'm just saying. Get wrecked, dude. My CX knowledge is astounding. Well, dude, amen. Like, yeah, it's just interesting, man. It's a very interesting world. It's all so new, okay? Beer time? All right, Game of Crypto. All right. Bear with me, all right? Come on, it's right here, so I'm just going to scroll back. Look, it's IRL streaming, man. Oh my god. TA Poseidon. Dude, I saw someone called Frozen Water Poseidon, and I laughed. Devin, man. That's funny. 64 cores for VMs, George. Tell me true, man. $64 cores would be nice for mining. But wouldn't you be utilizing the GPUs, not the CPUs? But I know there are certain cryptos that people, I don't know, you can actually, you mine with the CPU, you don't use the GPU, right? Unless I'm crazy, right? So many VMs, George. Tell me more about the VMs, okay, dude? Bill Battles, SNT. Oh, God, man, SNT. S&T is going to overtake the S&P. Okay, is that what's going on? Dude, that's like a low volume S coin, dude, right? Status coin, not Stratus. Yeah, dude, just one of those like S coins, very low volume. All right, I'm looking at it real quick, and then we'll run on over to that chart. Okay, man. Okay. That was totally it. Alright, let's move on over back to... We're leaving Ice Poseidon's realm and we're going back to TA with Mitri. I wonder how this would work. Would this pop up? I knew it wouldn't. Hold on. Boom. There we go. Alright. So here we go, man. Here's your SNT to BTC. Clearly a shift in momentum, touch point 1 and 2. What happens when you break that, man? What happens? Alright, here's the thing though, we're looking at the daily. And guess what was going on? Oh man, let's see. This load is okay, we're getting some daily bullish divergence. Where's this thing at? The RSI. Got it, man. So anytime you have a breakout of a downsloping channel, especially with anchor points from the top, and then you're right outside, barely making lower lows, and you're making bullish divergence, why don't you keep your eye on that? Okay, that's always a good sign. Always a really, really promising sign. Right. Here you go, man. Here you go. Holy crap, dude. Why do people ask Bill Battle? Why didn't you ask me about S&T before it popped up 29%? Be like, hey Ray, man, things happened, and yeah, dude, we got bullish divergence. We broke out of a downtrend. Why do we have to? That's what I'm talking about, man. It's like we need to be finding. Like I can't scan 2,000 cryptos on my own, man. I need your help. That's why we educate in here. We're building an army of people who can read charts, right? So we can all be like, hey, man. Look at this one. This setup looks wonderful, okay? You broke out, shifting momentum, daily bullish divergence on both oscillators. Are you kidding me, man? All right. So a nice pop to the upside. Yeah, all right. So what are we going to do? We're going to fib from our most recent discernible swing high on the daily, which is up here at like 1,500 sats all the way down to 413 sats. All right, so we've just surpassed the 236. If this was to be a reasonable retrace, clearly we're not even that far off now. We're looking between 829 and 1,086 sats. Okay, that is the target zone area before we decide to sell off. Reverse your price action downside. Great volume. Great positive momentum spike. Currently on the daily, we're overbought 74. All right. Okay, man. That is your S&T. Bill Battle, if it helps. All right. Okay. That's awesome. The 10 cores 1,000 Mobius? What you talking about, homie? What you talking about? What's the specs of the supercomputer Hungry Probe? Well, we were talking about the CPU, which is the 2970 AMD Threadripper, 24 cores, and then you've got the two NVIDIA 1080 Ti's. You've got the NZXT M72, the 40 millimeter fan coolant system. I've got the Corsair. Hold on. I need to get more intimate with y'all. Alright. Y'all need to see my face when I'm talking about this. Alright. I think. Alright. Yeah, you need to see my face, man. Alright. The Corsair 48 gigs of RAM. The Vengeance 3600 megahertz RAM. The Corsair Obsidian 500D case with, you know, just a Western Digital 500 gigabyte solid state that we installed 2 days ago, and I redid everything. So hey Daniel DeLeon, thanks for the shark, man. The shark sub. And that's it, man. What else am I missing? Oh, yeah. The I got an AS Rock X399 motherboard. Ended up going with that one. There were a lot of problems with the other one. I had to replace that other one. So that's it. What other components are there to the PC? There are none. Oh wait, and what is it? EVGA 850 watt power supply. That's it, dude. All right. No more. Are we cool? Chat, are we cool on that? Funny that I say get wrecked, dude, to someone tipping. Get wrecked is facetious, man. Is that serious? Money wasted? Why? I don't understand. Do you not know that satirical tonality? Alright. Nobody is mining with CPUs. There you go, Mobius man. Well, nobody has Threadripper. Kappa. Cyan Wolf, yes. Pajama pants are on, yes. Absolutely. I'm allowed to have pajama pants on. I was wearing khakis. I was wearing khakis. Alright, on the day stream. Alright, I get to wear pajama pants in the night stream. It's fair. Because it's late here, too. Alright, it's been live now for about an hour. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the stream. Or if you hate the stream. Whatever. Well, Mr. B, man, we were just literally, I was literally, dude, I said get wrecked to so many people. If you're in here and I haven't said get wrecked to you, you're in the minority, okay? Most people said, I've told Princess Riley to get wrecked, okay? But it's all good, man. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright, I'm just gonna keep on scrolling through chat.
Sup, Mitch? Got time for a look at Apollo Coin? Apple.
Hey, Anon, thanks for the $5, man. Kingston. Apollo Connect. Dude, Apollo Connect is not on TradingView, therefore I cannot analyze it. I'm sorry, man. Apollo Connect. I wish I could, dude. Alright. I'm sorry. Like, dude, give me another one, Anon. Give me, like, if you're Anon, I don't want you to be donks about having to type in chat, but if you type in chat what you want analyzed, I'd be happy to do it. I just can't analyze those that aren't on TradingView. I'm sorry, man. Okay, and probably a good idea. That's like kind of a good thing, right? If it's not on TradingView, chances are you might not want to look at it. Okay, so, right? Or analyze it, or even trade it. All right, Skyward man, have a good one. All right, dude. Oh my God, are we gonna get 100 likes, Julia? Are we gonna do this thing? Oh my God. What's up, Brandon Green, man? The ZRX is hitting a key support on the weekly. We can look at ZRX, Brandon Green, man. Sure, dude. Anyway, I'm just trying to get through this shit, alright? What are you saying, William Battles? You don't know how to predict the bullish and bearish trends? Oh, well, dude, you know, it's really, it takes time, man. It takes time, but we just talked about, you know, any kind of down slipping, two trend lines, right? When you break it, shift in momentum. Good lesson there, okay? Which one do I have? Mobius, one what? If you're asking 2970, but I think we talked about that. I don't know. You would say 1,000 watt. See, people are saying that, but then other people are saying 850 is fine, right? 850 watts is fine. Excuse me. Carbonation. When moon is a good question. Jules, man, we're waiting for 3,300, right? Hopefully. Holy crap. Wrecked City, Billy, man. There you go, man. I can all right, chat, all of chat, get wrecked together.
Is that a joint?
Up 159 prevent. Here comes the judge to rule in their favor. CMGO, thank you.
Alright, thanks so much, CMG Holdings. Right, CMGO. Alright, we're gonna take a look at it, man. The OTC to rule them all, man. To rule them all. Hold on. Hold on. We did look at it. We looked at it, man. Yeah, in the day stream. It was nuts, dude. 159% gains on the day. Holy crap, man. Then we look at the daily, though. That's it. That's it, man. I was like, okay, how do we get this? It's an off like that, dude. It was perfect. Give me a sec. It really doesn't matter. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Okay, alright, I got you. So, yeah, man. The shit, look, here's another one. William Battles, man. 1 and 2. When you broke it, the psychology of breaking a down-sloping resistance is always a shift in momentum. Alright, and I keep saying it, beating like a dead horse, but CMGO, CMG Holdings, man. 236, we hit it. Huge volume spike, but not even the highest. We saw even more volume here, dumping on this huge bearish and glowing candle. Alright, so the lawsuit's over, man. It's over. So, if it was really to be substantial of a move, and it was to respect Fibonacci, right? Common retraces. We talked about the day stream where we could see ourselves in time, because I don't know if this is sustainable at all. Dude, 81 on the RSI on the daily is not sustainable. Okay, we can go a little higher, and that's it. But look, between... Dude, my thing keeps stuttering. I hate this. If someone can figure out how to make this thing not stutter, I'll be so happy. And there's a billion different reasons why it would stutter too. And we just haven't figured out which reason it is. Okay, we thought we knew, but nope, it always comes back. Alright, so 88% of 1 cent to 1.34 cents. Alright, that's kind of that is the zone of common retrace from your major swing high to swing low. Okay, that's it, man. Okay. Mobius, the 2970X, all right? 24, sexual course, all right? What's up, TD, man? You like the music, man? Is it public anywhere? Yeah. Just type in Silk Music, all right? Who is they, Mobius? They is wrong. I need 900 watt minimum. So what does that mean, Mobius? What's the what are the side effects of not having enough power? All right, will it just not work, or will I get stuttering? Tell me if it gets stuttering. I will literally buy another power supply right now if you tell me stuttering's a symptom of not having enough power to this rig. Okay. Whew. Man, I'll tell you this: it's like a heater. It does emit a stupid amount of heat. 220 watts on CPU, 300 per card. I'm gonna have a word with my. I'd max out 850 easy. Jeez. 5.89% milk. Scantoma is true. This is true. My personal favorite coin, Peter Couchman, man. I don't really have a personal favorite because that kind of goes against things, right? Personal favorite. I mean, XRP, BTC. There you get it. For now. Okay, it changes. It shifts when I see opportunities arise. Okay. Heck, man, my favorite for like 3 days was Vibe. Okay. Patrons, right? But it's not anymore. I don't know, William Battles, man. Sometimes it happens, but we see the shift and these S coins turn around, and then Bitcoin will then dump, and then all of them, they've hit a 38% retrace or 23% retrace, and then they dump tremendously. Okay, so I don't know, man. I think that Bitcoin's lack of volatility is giving these S coins the ability to do what they want, all right, which is great. But once that Bitcoin volatility picks up, man, anything can happen, all right? Anything. Oh my god, BSS, we did it, dude. We freaking did it. Fireworks. Fireworks, chat. Thank y'all so much for the 100+ likes. Y'all are amazing. Okay. See for myself. No, I'm asking what will happen. What could happen. I need more power, Justin King. Okay, that's it. I'm texting IT guy right now, and there's gonna be heck to pay. Zero,
Hey man,
man.
can we take a look at NFLX and IDXX? Thanks in advance, brother.
Hey, Zero, man. Dude, thanks. Dude. Yeah, dude. Good to see you again, man. Netflix. Ooh.
Let's see if the naysayers can enjoy this one.
Sure, man. Hey, Mr. Moon, thanks for 333. Repeating, of course. Alright, y'all. Okay, let's see if we can bring the chat together with a song. Is this Kumbaya? Let's see. Okay, if In Grooves gets my video taken down, there's going to be heck to pay. In Grooves, Scrub Grooves. All right. Well, you know the name of the label, the record company, man. All right. Okay, man. Jules, this one goes out to you, man. Homie. All right. We're going to go Super Saiyan. Super Saiyan God or Super Saiyan Blue. All right. You went Super Saiyan Blue today. Jeez, man. I'm starting. All right, that's it. Hold on. I'm texting him right now. Saying. Chat is saying I need more power. If I'm gonna need more power, I'm gonna get an RGB power supply because that's the only thing I don't have. This power. You know, my GPUs aren't RGB, but whatever, man. They got they're lit up. They say 850 is not enough. Now in all caps, what say you? Okay, I wish he would chime in to chat. Stability issues. Sounds about right. So Jeremy S is saying I have plenty of power. Mobius. Chat. Type 1 in chat if 850 watts is enough for my rig, and type 2 for it not being enough power. And if you have the 1, you could say Y, 2, Y, go. All right. We must put this to bed. My monitors are probably putting out that heat. Oh yes, they certainly are. Peter piped her. 850 watts is fine for the PC. Moss says it's fine. See? Martian, why are you feeling like a degen gambler, dude? Don't do that, alright? What's up, Rich Martinez, man? Good to see you again, dude. Oh, yeah, Apollo connected. Yeah, dude, we can't look at it on. It's not on TradingView. All right. There you go, Mr. Meme, man. We still got some time left on it. Unhealable. Shazer Gaming? Are you kidding? Oh, my God, dude. It's freaking Fop and Shazer. Are you kidding me? Wow. See, I saw when Shazer Gaming followed a long time ago. I'm like, surely they can't be Shazer. But now I see Fop and it's unhealable. Oh my God, man. Oh my God.
Oh, it feels so good!
Good to see y'all. Fantastic. It's been a long journey, hasn't it? What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Okay. Are we still in Ulduar, man? Yep. Tosh Lapoy's leaving Alabama, and probably a good idea. Okay. He had a very, very bad score. Okay. What's up, P. Miller, man? GNT. Some Gollum coin, man. What about some Smeagol coin? Good. Yeah, I feel like stability issues is kind of my issue. If I'm having a stuttering mouse after the Threadripper, and ever done everything, dude. All right. All right. Okay. Give me a sec. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe it. Yeah, dude, this thing is getting ready, dude. Oh my god. The ZRX is getting freaking ready, dude. You want to talk about stupid. And when I say stupid, I mean stupid levels of daily bullish divergence, alright? We're going to go to it real quick. This is Zerx, man. ZRX. And I don't know what I just did, man. Hold on. I can't do this. I'm getting off, alright? In a non-sexual way. I'm literally... Shazer and Pop being in chat literally threw me off tremendously. So the descending broadening wedge on Netflix, we broke out of it, gapped up on earnings. Oh my god, Netflix, man. They're raising their rates. Great. So... but look, on the gap up, what are we doing? We're stalling at the 786 retrace from your swing high, October 1st to the swing low, one day after Christmas, the rally, the post-Santa Claus rally, critical fib node, deep retrace. I don't know if we're going to hold. Hey, remember what's going to happen if the major indices dump. Netflix will not be immune. Netflix will also dump. All right. So if one was to take a short position yesterday, they're still okay. They might be a little bit in the green. Seen that freaking stutter. A gap down to fill the gap would put us at $337. All right, so there are many gaps on low volume all the way up. Gaps fill, okay? A lot of these gaps will fill in time. So if this market wants to dump, guess what? Netflix is going to go and fill these gaps, all right? Stalling at a critical fib node. Oh my god. Killing me, dude. This is freaking killing me. There you go. It's just zero, man. Thanks so much, dude, for the 1618. Kangs, dude. Kangs. Anyway. Dude, John Laro, you know if Tosh LaFoy leaving Alabama, you'd be happy too, man. Dude, the way Bama got eviscerated, I'm happy about it. Red X, what was one, dude? Juliet, yeah, I'm sorry, I just still have not fixed that. I gotta get that script set up for the secondary tip jar to put it behind the Stream Elements jar for Streamlabs. I'm sorry. Okay, I just have not done that yet. Dang, dude, Shazer getting his master's in electrical engineering, still playing Vidya. Holy crap. The Old War Dream Team, man, bringing it back, dude. What was the one with the fire one that had the weird voice? It was like the fire engine that had many forms. You remember? Fop, man. Oh my god, man. Also, this is way too fast of a pace of music. Dude, it sounds like techno. Hold on. Stop this. Give me a sec. I'm about to do something, alright? You know what, man? I'm just playing this, dude. Because I want to. What's up, Spear? A C. Oh my god, y'all. I can't even. Okay, Jeremy S says Threadripper uses max 180 watts, 1080 Ti max 250 watts. No way I'm even close to maxing out power in either. You have plenty of power, dude. He's mined with 6 1070s on an 850 and was fine. Yeah, man. Well, there you go, dude. Well, somebody figure out my stuttering. Somebody figuring out the freaking mouse stuttering. Okay, thanks. Burgess Games. He's filling out taxes. You're getting there. It's a lot of tracking down receipts. Yeah, dude. Totally. Totally. Alright. But, hopefully you have a quick and... What is it? Quick thing, whatever. I just got it to track all my expenses. Yeah. So, it's nice, man. It's really nice. What's up, Rick Schmitz, man? Glad you made it. We're waiting on you. They added crypto to tax reports. Be careful, guys, when doing this. Hey, dude, there was some report where the high majority of people, well, I mean, they're not reporting their losses on crypto, which you can report $3,000 worth of losses. A Memron, that's what it was, the big red button. That's it, Chaser, man. That's it. Holy crap. How did y'all find me, man? How did y'all? Okay. Are y'all like into crypto or technical analysis charts, man? So about Tony Ballas, man. I'm doing all right, man. Doing all right still. Got the PC blues, man. Just can't get it all figured out. Still just mouse stuttering, freaking out. It's terrible, dude. For how much money was spent, I can't even do it. So, anyway. We were looking at zeros. Let's go back to ZRX. Okay. So, dude. I'm telling y'all, we can make some adjustments here on this channel, too. Oh, yeah. Okay, so just a small adjustment, okay? Down some channel, we broke out. Back testing, one more lower low, slightly lower low than our previous low, right? I mean, my God, man, the divergence is insane here. Impending price action reversal, it's screaming at you. So look at this, man. Would you look at it? Holy crap, hold on. Let's try something real quick. I might be wrong. Just give me a sec, okay? Okay, man. Now, sure, we could be wrong here. Nothing's ever a sure thing, but here we go, man. Dude, I want to make eye contact with you while we do this, while we talk about this, all right? So what were the criteria for a long position? We got the fractal, the falling wedge pattern. Boom, that's one variable, right? Great. What else? Critical areas of support, 2. That's 2 variables. We now have coinciding variables. MACD, daily, triple MACD, bullish divergence, boom, 3 coinciding variables. RSI, bullish divergence, triple RSI, bullish divergence, boom. That is 4 coinciding variables on ZRX, y'all. Are you kidding me? This is like the dream, man. The dream. All right. So give me a sec. Let me adjust this. What the? My fibs, man. Where's the anchor? There we go. All right. Just make an adjustment. We'll say this is the low. Target. Here's a 10,828 sats, man. We could hit 10,034, then sell off, but my God, the common retrace zone for your Fibonacci between 10,034 and 11,622. All right, we went from the high to low. Here it is, man. All right, good God. Look at ZRX. Keep your eye on it. Holy crap, man! That's all I can tell you. There's just, you can't get any better than this. It's like, here, this is there's a very good opportunity, low risk, despite anything, low risk. And there goes the stuttering again. My God. Somebody help me, man. Okay, because we can't figure it out. Anyway, ZRX, big round of applause.
Please clap.
That's it, dude. That's it. Alright. I wanted to make eye contact with y'all, okay? Well, we did that. Whatever. Okay, you still play with David Compton? Wow. Alright. Compton told us I did this. Here you are. Awesome, Chase, man. Awesome, dude. P. Miller, I thought you said I don't pay taxes. There you go, P. Miller, man. What is the song, Bed and Breakfast fan, man? This is Underwater by Bass Nectar, okay? That's it, dude. Glad you enjoyed it. He didn't want to tell you the channel because he thought you would come troll. Yeah, dude. Friends troll other friends for real, right? Look, we know there's friendly trolling and there's real trolling, and it's like weird, you know, like why would you come in to like really troll, you know, like it doesn't make sense. Anyway, yeah, man, it's awesome to see, dude. It really is, and frankly, very cool. I mean, just I don't know, man, y'all threw me off, okay, pleasantly. Hold on. Sorry, I'm going back to manual DJing. Okay, I used to do this while streaming a lot. Okay, we're good. Whew. Kang's Cough Crypto. Yeah, that's it. Kang's, man. The 50 EMA is being rejected like crazy. Bitcoin buyer, what you talking about, man? Homie, are you talking about ZRX? Well, dude, yeah, we might sell off again, and 73.55 is your absolute most pristine entry. But not on the daily. The daily, we have not even touched the 50-day moving average, which would put you around 85.95. Okay. So yeah, I understand. Based on the moving averages, you're in the equilibrium zone on the bearish side. That is true. That is a one contradicting variable. That's not good, but guess what, man? That's literally how it always looks before we break to the upside, okay? Always. I mean, it almost look when you're in a down, you're moving down, selling off. Dude, we've been selling off incessantly on ZRX since October 17th, my freaking birthday, man. All right? That was a top. Dude, I love it, man. How ZRX topped out on my name day. All right? Yeah, Brandon Green, for sure, man. You thought it was Bitcoin? Get wrecked, Bitcoin buyer. Get wrecked. Kool-Aid King says that's what she said. Yes. Yes. How about the XFL? I'm going all in on the XFL, dude. Didn't it go bankrupt once or twice or 3 times now or something? Your professor is good friends with Base Nectar. They grew up in Philadelphia together. XRP Andy. Thanks, man, for letting us know, dude. That's awesome. But I don't know Base Nectar. Base Nectar with an O. There must be some sort of off-brand cereal version of Base Nectar, right, with the A. It's okay though, man. There you go. In the NVIDIA control panel, are all my monitors using the same refresh rate? I don't know, Jamie S. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. What's up about Joshua Ramsey, man? Dude, Joshua, man, look, when you don't have variables telling you things like the MACD, telling us a bidding price action reversal, when you don't have bullish convergence, when you're just literally in the dead middle of a meh kind of weak, potentially scrubby, broadening bottom pattern, it's a dead zone, man. It's not where you really take risks. It's not really where you buy or sell, man. Okay. We're looking for stuff like ZRX that's at a critical support, been selling off incessantly since October 17th, 2018, showing triple MACD, bullish divergence on the daily, triple RSI, bullish divergence on the day. That's what we're looking for, okay? Bitcoin not showing any of that. Therefore, we don't know, and we're not going to act like we know, okay? TA is not about predicting the future, man. It's about risk aversion, and there is a decent amount of risk on Bitcoin right now because we don't know. There's just nothing telling us up or down, okay, right now. We want to see down because we understand harmonics, and we're looking for that 32 to 3,300 range, okay? So right now, playing Bitcoin, maybe day traders, I don't know, swing trading side of it, dude, it's just weird. It's like, this is not, it's just, you're holding a support. Okay, you're in the middle of the pattern. If I'm to play Bitcoin, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for 33.43 to 34.20. Okay, so we need that 786 from X, A, B, C, D, R, bullish garlic pattern. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay, man. Okay. You'd love to meet Base Nectar. All right, Joshua. Talk to XRP Andy. Okay. Oh, okay. It's actually Base Nectar, not Base Nectar. Okay. I understand you. Renee, your birthday. We share the same name day. Awesome. Cheers, Renee. This soup's for you. Birthday. Were you around on the birthday streams? Because they were lit. Okay, it was a 2-3 day thing. All right. Excuse me. easy. Risk aversion is it. Dan Styles said it. Yeah, augers up 50%. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we're supposed to look at it. We just kind of got distracted. Hold on, give me a second. Go back to rep. All right. Okay, so yeah, my god. Wow, look how beautiful this channel is. All right. When you look at it, man, just look at it. Just fan-freaking-tastic. Okay, so how do we look at it? Right, let's look at the daily, I guess, right? The daily. Alright, man. Alright. Oh, here we are. We're rejecting the 200-day moving average. That's what we're hitting as resistance right now, okay? The most previous discernible swing high is here. Okay, I guess probably the structure of the downtrend. Seems like it made the most sense right here. High to low. Yeah, I'm gonna really use that wick. Okay, dude. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use that wick, man. No, I'm not. Okay, and really that's a candle close. Candle close, so we're gonna go candle close, candle close. Alright, there's that candle high close, the candle close. And there goes my PC crapping itself again. Alright, we're very close to that 236, $17.70. Alright, if we were to really, if this was a real thing, it wasn't just this one night stand pump and dump, okay, which we see time and time again on these low liquidity S coins, we would want to see what we could expect to see anyway, which I, again, don't know. 382618, right? $25 all the way to $37. That is the common retrace zone from a swing high to swing low, alright? But dude, it is auger. You pick an S coin, you're gonna know it's an S coin. Okay, man, this is one of them. All right, nice bullish engulfing candle on the breakout. Pretty high volume. We haven't seen this much volume since July 22nd, 2018. Right now on the daily, extremely well, very overbought at 76. Haven't been this overbought since December of 2017. That's how overbought we are. All right. So yeah, doing things, man. Doing things. Shifting in momentum. Why are we shifting in momentum? Hey, how about the fact that Bitcoin's volatility is so low right now, these S coins are able to run. That's it. The best time to trade S coins is when Bitcoin's volatility is low, when it's in the middle of a consolidation pattern. That's it. All right. Once Bitcoin dumps hard, it's going to bring all the other S coins to its knees. All right. Non-sexually. Okay. Get it. There you go, Bitcoin buyer. That's for you and someone else who asked about it. Okay. Okay, man. So I was trying to get this chat. then Joshua, you could sleep easy with some sort of stopwatch, right? That's going to protect you, okay? No, Joshua's enjoying a nice Sierra Nevada Pale Ale in my honor. Thanks, Joshua, man. I really appreciate it. I'm drinking a water Altcoin beer over here, okay, man? Anyway. Anyway, so turn that off. Sleep in. Been live now an hour and a half, man. Hour and a half. Been going freaking hard, man. Really hard today. In both streams, okay. Okay, so yeah, I think what I'm gonna do, y'all, is get out of here. Yeah, it's been postponed now. So thank y'all so much for the fantastic stream, the love, support, the likes, the contributions, new subs, old subs, the dislikes even, friends of old, very old. All right, Shazer Pop, shout out. Good to see y'all. Feel free to come by anytime, okay? So I'll be back tomorrow on a Thursday. Until then, respect the TA.